Hi, in this video, let's learn about landscape hatching techniques. This is a very fun practice that I'm going to teach you today. There are so many random techniques out there which we actually cannot put them into words or a specific terminology. So some samples I'm doing right now, pay attention to them and see how exactly they work. And then when you look at landscape drawings, paintings, photographs, you'll try to identify them. These are basically grassy land, so you can use this hatching for grasses, long grasses, shorter ones. Look at this one. I'm trying to do in 3-step. Absolutely. So lighter ones, then the middle one can be longer or maybe darker. Now this is a interesting one. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a background texture. Can be used for distant mountains, and then can establish these foliage areas just above the horizon. It's a very interesting thing to do. Practice this. You can change the shapes. Now these are standard angular hatching. Can be used for trees, barns, lands. You can also use them for creating textures on the wall. These are just generic methods. Now this is for water. Another one, pay attention to this. Now let's continue. Okay, let's see. Now these are going to be a shading technique quite rarely used, but look at this style. It's kind of a curved way of cross hatching. It's very much used actually for portraits and human anatomy and figurative drawings and sketching, but you can definitely use them to create textures on the wall, trees, anything as such. These can be used for the first layer of shading, hatching, and then you can build the detailing on top for the trees, for haystacks, a lot of different things. Now this can be used for textures, as you can see, random wooden texture, or you can use it for brick. The lines are not really important, but just the technique of it. And there are so many other ways to do and create your own. Why not? That sounds fun. So these are going to be for the long grass effect. You can also use this for the first layer of tree trunks. Bushes, that's fun. Haystacks, a lot of different areas. It all depends how you actually use them. Very helpful to establish the background layers first. There we go. Trees, houses, huts, cottages, a lot of usage, and try to create your own pots. Okay, so these two things, and what I would like to tell you is try to create a lot of different textures, and the more you practice, more detailed and realistic will be. The techniques are really important to understand tonal values, shading, hatching, to establish the common things in landscape sketching. Alright, keep practicing.